Hello boys and girls, do you see that listing right there? I'm about to go live on Facebook and hopefully do this inside of a short amount of time. Let me just show you, there's that one there, right? There you go. So it's 2019. Okay, great. So now, let's see here. So we hit done, start live video. Okay, and great, we are live. I just said hello to this camera right there, which is looking at me like that. Okay, here's the other phone, and then just saw it really fast. Just, you can't see all that. There's the box I'm going to open. There's the batteries, the test tape. I got my cords already in case I need them. Right. Now I'm going to take y'all and put y'all into the thing about. Oh, I need to switch camera. Well, it says using the right camera. Okay, so I just need to put this in here. Okay, so I'll just here, squeeze that open. Okay, that there. All right, great. Bend that around. Look at the floor. Well, that's close enough. Okay, so now let me take this off the tripod just for a moment. Okay, and just say once again. That's that there. I've got my all different kinds of power supplies, got other stuff here to play with, and I have all these here to work on, fix on, and so on and so forth. Okay. Alright, so that's 2 minutes wasted, and I'm live on Facebook right there. That's me. Okay, live on Facebook. Got it? Alright, so put this back around, drop it back on the tripod, and get to it. Okay. Rotate this around so I can see. There we go. Okay, so here's this box I've already documented with my camera. Okay, and so now let's just open this up. Okay, so nice box, the RX-D30. I didn't know it existed. Now it's a double cassette box. I'm not a fan of double cassette boxes, but it's a Panasonic, and I recently had a Panasonic RX-F20 ×2, which I sold both of them. So when I saw this on eBay, I said I gotta have this because this is just in pristine condition. However, the listing did not say whatsoever that it worked in any way, form, or fashion. It just said there it is, the parts not working, and no description, but I took a chance, and so I hope it works. So here we go. We got, and just get lucky and pull this thing out of here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. So that was really nice of them to pack it like that, I guess. Maybe this stuff is good for something like that. Alright, so get out of the way. Now we got a bubble wrap. This is the way I would package this. So, alright, so now just try to salvage this because this stuff is not cheap, but it's also the good stuff. And so there's the beginning, kinda. Good. And then here. And then, yeah. teach y'all how to do this. Just sort of roll this stuff and roll it up. Don't keep putting layers like this. I don't know. Okay, so well, I mean, really, you think this rubber wrap's going to come off? There's no extra address on this thing. So, this is... Oh, man. And then we're inside of a plastic bag, no less. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, so that out of the way, and then I'll use a plastic bag if I'm going to pack this stuff in peanuts. But, okay. Yeah, I'm trying to salvage the plastic bag. I don't even see the beginning of this mess. It's crazy. That's the bottom. So is this hermetically sealed? It looks like it's hermetically sealed or vacuum sealed or something like that. So just get that out. That was weird. Okay, and we got still another plastic bag. Is it sealed as well? Or can I just open it? So there's no opening. You need a vacuum pack this thing? There is no opening. Oh, here we go. It comes out the end. Oh, time. My gosh. Okay, before I go any further, let me just bring this up to y'all. Let you see it. Okay, so here it is. It looks like this. Alright, so that. Alright, so that. And then here. Okay. That's not the greatest lighting, but it's better than no lighting, right? So there it is. Looks like that, this, that, and then that. It's got the battery compartment intact. And for the Facebook crowd, yeah, so, alright, so, yeah, so it looks like that, this, that, there. Okay, we're having fun. So it takes a regular plug, right? Well, we got to, okay, so let's put a regular plug on the end of it here and see what happens. First of all, make sure it's off. It's on tape, stereo, don't know, and this is on that. On AFM. Okay, let's see what happens. So now, of course, alright, nothing. And on tape. Ah, we got tunes.
the street. The rest of the thrill of living is gone, they're all gone.
Alright, so the controls need cleaning for sure. Let's see if the tape player plays, if at all. Uh-oh, that works. Let's see here. Let's try this one. That works, but there's no movement. Okay, so hit stop. Let's see. We got fast forwards there with good torque. Rewind is there with good torque. But play, there is no play. The capstan does not turn. Take-up reel does not turn on that deck. Now, in this deck it is in play mode. Stop. Fast forward is good. Rewind is good. Let's try play again. Okay, let's hit stop. Give me a, what is this? I don't know, just some tape that still has a good pressure pad left on it, which is Metallica. Okay, so close that, hit eject, throw this in, hit play. But it's in tape. Don't know about these buttons. So normal, okay, normal, normal. Okay, no sound. Oh, that's bad. Alright. Well, it's not eating the tape, but then let's see, let's try fast forwarding it a bit. Well, still no sound.
5 years ago. And I used that same.
I'll have to tear into it and see what's wrong with it, but I'm still stoked that it does work at least. Probably needs belts, servicing, cleaning of the recording bar. I never even looked in the back here. Let's see here. There is, yeah, pretty clean. Okay, so it's pretty clean on the inside. Alright, another little project. Alright, well, there it is. I'm just going to say good day, goodbye. Hope you enjoyed. I got to go put all this away and open up something else later on tomorrow. Okay. I got other projects to do, work on my truck, and so on and so forth. So let me just pick up this here. Alright, look at the time, make sure I didn't waste too much time. See, 13 minutes, that's good. Alright, so there it is. Let's see, give you a real good shot of this. Alright, so, oops. There it went here. I just set it down and get a better shot. Alright, so, yep. There it is, looks like that. Alright, so, took a picture. Take another picture. Okay. That'll work for me. I'm tight right now. Okay. And I'll just say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Got other radios to work on. I got a Sharp GF700 right there to work on. So many things to do. Good day. Bye-bye. Hope. Thanks for watching. Got to go. Bye-bye.